Quality looks good on this batch.
Agreed, let's keep the line moving.
That's the last of the sugar, driver. Perfect, everything accounted for here.
Ensure the cocoa goes to refrigeration.
Roger that. Scanning the final pallet now.
Receiving dock 2, confirm cocoa delivery. Roger that, moving the cocoa now. Purity levels holding steady at 99.8.
Good, the new filters are working.
We need to adjust the flow rate slightly.
Agreed, consistency is slightly off on the south mixer.
The color looks consistent on this batch.
Okay. And the internal temperature is holding steady at 200.
The color on this batch looks perfect.
Agreed. The texture is consistent across the line.
Viscosity is slightly off in tank 2.
I see it. Rerouting the flow to adjust the sweetness levels.
The texture is consistent with the parameters.
Yes, and the sweetness levels are optimal. We are good to continue.
The viscosity is holding steady at 250 centipoise.
And the bricks level is exactly where we need it.
I'll log the batch as approved.
Check this one here. Looks good now. Check the alignment on row 3.
Looks good now. Uniformity is within tolerance. The manifest shows 24 units for the Singapore shipment.
Yes, the barcodes match the order numbers here.
Inventory count looks accurate for the Oreo shipment.
Excellent. Let's finalize the dispatch.
The shipment of biscuits is confirmed for aisle 4.
Yes, the AMRs are already routing the pallets now.
Route manifest confirmed, John. You're clear to roll.
Roger that. See you on the return.
All manifests checked. You are cleared for transport, en route synchronized. Have a safe trip.
Truck 42 cleared for departure, gate 1. Next up, verify manifest on Unit 60.
Copy that. 42 is rolling. Unit 60, pull onto the scale.
Unit 4, you are clear for departure. Roger that. Control, rolling out.
Fresh these are.
I know. Let's grab a few packs while they're stocked.
You can just tap your card right here when you're ready.
Oh, perfect. That was quick.
Did you find everything okay?
Yes, thank you.
All right, we are ready for the next customer over here.
All right, sir, that will be $12.50. You can just tap your card right here when you're ready.
Perfect, thank you.
Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends.